Welcome to another Ryco technical video. I'm Sam Miles and today we'll be covering servicing your vehicle's catch can. Fitting a catch can to your vehicle is one of the best things you can do to keep your engine protected. A quality catch can, like this one from Ryco, is a serviceable item, allowing you to drain it and replace the filter inside, so it can keep doing its job. The entire process is relatively simple and I'm going to show you how to do it now. Now, how often should you drain your catch can? Some vehicles will need to have their catch cans drained every 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers, while others every 10,000 kilometers. Now, Ryco advises not to leave the catch can without draining for longer than 10,000 Ks. The Ryco catch can sump holds up to 310 millimeters. I like to drain mine at 200 mil, which is normally around the 3,000 to 5,000 kilometer mark. If the catch can was fitted without the drain hose, the first thing you'll need to do is remove your catch can from the engine bay. Undo the hose clamps, remove the hoses, and lift the catch can from its mounting bracket. From there, you can undo this drain plug and let the oil drain into a pan or bottle. Since the last time this engine's been serviced, we've drained about 160 millimeters of oil out of the catch can. It's also important to note that the initial drain interval after fitting the new filter will be longer, as the filter needs to fill up before the catch can will start collecting fluid in the sump. To make draining the catch can easier next time round, you can fit this drain hose before reinstalling the catch can. Simply remove the rubber seal from the drain plug, refit into the catch can, insert the drain hose, secure with the supplied spring clamp. From there, fit the hose drain tap onto the other end and secure the hose with a zip tie. With the drain hose installed, draining the catch can is simply a matter of pushing the drain tap, turning clockwise to lock, and wait for the catch can to drain. Along with draining your vehicle's catch can, you'll need to replace the filter element inside every once in a while. Actual filter life depends on a variety of factors, but it's primarily based on the amount of contaminations in your vehicle's blow-by. When it comes to changing the filter element in your Ryco catch can, Ryco recommends replacing it every 30 to 40,000 kilometers or earlier if any oil weepage appears around the relief valve. Ryco replacement filters are carefully engineered to work specifically with your Ryco catch can. Non-Ryco filter elements may not trap enough crankcase oil or block prematurely. To change the filter element inside the catch can, first note the location of the catch can outlet port, as this will need to be reinstalled in the same position. Next, undo the 4 Torx screws. Lift the head from the catch can and remove its green O-ring seal. From there, you can lift the old filter element out, ensuring that its O-rings come out also, and refit the new one the right way up, which is marked on the bottom of the filter element. Fit the new O-ring provided with your new filter element to the catch can head, and from there you can put it all back together. Making sure the catch can head is in the right position, the catch can is now ready to fit back into the engine bay. Fitting a Ryco catch can is one of the most beneficial things you can do for the life of your 4-wheel drive's engine. Servicing your catch can regularly is a relatively simple process and will allow it to provide optimum protection for your engine for years to come. You can grab yourself a Ryco catch can or a replacement Ryco catch can crankcase filter element from all good Ryco stockists.